It may seem like just a cup, but inside it, a forest breathes, a lone flower trembles, and a land remembers. Every flower, every butterfly painted by hand, born from the soul of someone who grew up hearing the nature around. This is not decoration only, but beauty captured in brush strokes. Each piece tells a story that travels from her workshop to our hands, so we never forget who we are. To drink from it is to drink from the veins of this land. We savor a little bit of Costa Rica, its history, its soul. Artesanías JPF. Cups that tell stories, paintings that hold roots.